Hi everyone, welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we introduce you to the phrasal verb get onto. This phrasal verb has different meanings depending on what follows it. Get onto someone. This has two meanings. The first is to make contact with someone, usually by phone. Your friend tells you that you have to change your travel plans. That country has gone into lockdown. You should get onto the travel agents and cancel your holiday. You realize that changing your plans will have an effect on your work schedule. You pick up the phone and say, I need to get onto human resources about my 2 weeks holidays. I don't need to take them anymore. Get onto someone. This second version has a slightly different meaning and can be confusing if used in the wrong way. When you get onto someone in this way, you confront them about something that has been annoying you or which causes you concern. A friend advises you to confront your boss about his negative attitude towards you. You should get onto your manager about that. He shouldn't be treating you that way. A parent is annoyed that their child hasn't done their chores. I can't believe she didn't do it. I'll get onto her as soon as she gets home. Get onto it. When you get onto something, you address an issue or start a task. This can be something urgent or something that should have been done some time ago. Your colleague is going through a list of outstanding tasks they need to attend to. This is the most urgent item in my to-do list, so I'll get onto it straight away. At home, your partner isn't happy that you have ignored a household problem. That pipe has been broken for weeks now. You need to get onto it before it gets worse. Get onto something. Another way to use get onto is when talking about the subject or topic of conversation, particularly when you are changing focus. A politician has finished speaking about one topic and wants to move on to the next. Okay, everyone, it's time to get on to our next topic, which is housing. A woman is telling her friends about a conversation she had with her boyfriend. One minute, we were talking about our plans for the weekend. The next, he was talking about summer holidays. I don't know how we got onto that topic. Get onto something. Finally, you can get onto a team or a TV show, for example. Anything that you become part of or a member of, you can use get onto. A girl is delighted to have been selected for the school debate team. I can't believe it. They picked me. I'm so happy I got onto the team. A man negotiated to get the best possible promotion in the company. I stated my case and fought my corner, and I got onto the board of management. So, to sum up, get onto someone can mean to make contact with someone, usually by phone. I need to get onto the pizza house and order a takeaway. Get onto someone can also mean to confront someone about something that has been annoying you or which causes you concern. It's been over an hour and the pizza hasn't arrived. I think I'll get back onto them and see what the problem is. Get onto it can mean to address an issue or start a task. The deadline for the task is this Friday. I better get onto it today. Get onto something can also be used when talking about the subject or topic of conversation, particularly when you are changing focus. Let's hurry this up and get on to the next point. Get onto something can also be used to get onto a team or a TV show or anything that you become part of or a member of. I played so well in the match and I got onto the team of the week. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.